So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a beautiful algebraic proof equation that looks complicated, but trust me, it becomes really simple once you understand the logic behind it. So let's dive in. The equation says if a equal root over 3 plus root over 2, then a cube plus 1 by a cube equal what? So first of all, write this given term a equal root over 3 plus root over 2. First of all, we should make out the value of 1 by a. So 1 by a equal 1 by root over 3 plus root over 2. Now, whenever we have a sword like this in the denominator, we multiply by its conjugate to remove the root from the bottom. So the conjugate of root 3 plus root 2 is this term conjugate is root 3 minus root 2. So multiply root 3 minus root 2 root 3 minus root 2. So we can write this. So whenever, remember this, whenever you have to sort like this, you have to use conjugate of it. Okay. Okay. So now root 3 minus root 2, we can write this time a minus b, a plus b, that means a minus b, a plus b, that means a square minus b square. A square me minus b square equal a minus b, a plus b. So here we can write a square minus b square. Root 3 minus root 2. Here root square cancel out, here remain 3. Here root square cancel out, here remain 2. So 1 by a equal root over 3 minus root over 2 divided by 1. So 1 by a equal root over 3 minus root over 2. Now, firstly, we see that the value of a is root over 3 plus root over 2. And now we see that 1 by a equal root over 3 minus root over 2. So we can write a plus 1 by a. So put the value of a. The value of a is root over 3 plus root over 2. So here plus the value of 1 by a is root over 3 minus root over 2. Root over 3 minus root over 2. So a plus 1 by a, here root over 2 cancel out, here remain only 2 root over 3. So we can write it as the equation. We know the formula is a is a cube plus b cube equal a plus b whole cube minus 3 ab into a plus b. So similarly we can write this a cube plus 1 by a cube. A cube plus a cube plus, here 1 by a means b, a cube plus b cube. So the formula will be a plus v whole cube minus 3 into a into v times a plus b. So We know the value of a plus 1 by a is 2 root 3. So we can write 2 root 3 whole cube minus here a cancel out. Here remain 3 times a plus 1 by a. That means a plus 1 by a is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. So here 2 cube root over 3 cube minus 3 multiplied to 6 root 3. So now we can write this 2 cube means 8, root over 3 whole cube means 3 root over 3 minus 6 root 3. So here 8 multiplied 3, that means 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3. So 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3, that means 18 root 3. So this is the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. A cube plus 1 by a cube. A cube plus 1 by. So it's the answer. So this is our maths, and so if you guys enjoyed this video, please make subscribe to our